Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing our data encryption series. So today's video, we are going to create a Fernet object. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, build one subject upon another. That's why it's so important to make sure you're watching until the end and checking out any of these videos, because there are over 850 of them. So now, last video we left with the key. We did a key generation, and we saw that we built a Fernet. We imported the Fernet. So we have this odd class here that seems a little weird, but then we see this, and we pass in key, and then we have some more methods. So let me just show you. F equals Fernet. We pass in key. So now I have a Fernet object. So now when I run dir on F, here we go. Okay, so this is everything still the same. This is just so now F. So now okay. So now I have a Fernet object, and then next video we will be actually creating an encrypted message. But this is just a real short, sweet, the object, because this is a class and you can assign that class object to a variable. So I wanted to make sure that we made a specific video just for this, because class objects out of multi-layered packages, modules, objects can be intimidating. Especially when it's the same word lowercase, then capital case, lowercase, and then uppercase. So I wanted you to see this, that you can then take that and create the object in and of itself. So there we go, guys. Real short video today. We'll keep going. We'll do encryption, decryption, and then some very cool stuff with multiple keys. So there we go. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.